everybody, and welcome to Stamping Within. You can find me on my blog, stampingwithin.blogspot.co.uk, and on various bits of social media. Yesterday I made this using the tailored tag punch from Stampin Up. Okay, and I thought, well, it's very flat. Can I make it fuller? So I had a think, and the answer, of course, is yes. Dead easy. You're going to love this. Put that one there. I have a piece of the True Gentleman DSP here. Lovely paper, and I have my tailored tag punch here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out two of these. So make sure my lines are vertical. Okay, there's one. And here's another. Right, put that to one side. Don't need the punch anymore. That can go away. What I'm going to do with these, ow, I just splattered my head on the top of my lamp, which is actually just there. Right, I've got my bone folder, and I'm just going to curve these gently like this. Make sure I'm in shot. I've just moved where I film, so I'm kind of just getting used to where my hands are again. Right, so they're nice and curvy. Okay. You're going to need a scrap of, I'm using Night of Navy here, something about probably less than 2 inches long, not very wide, probably about 1/4 of an inch or so. You can always trim this afterwards. Okay, I have my turn, well, this is contraband turn tape. I'm waiting for an order to come. But, yeah, I keep knocking the I've got one of these flexible arms for my phone, and it's just at the side of where this arm is, so it's catching slightly every now and again, so it may have to be moved back to where I used to have it, possibly. Anyway, that's by the by. Put your tape away before you stick anything else to it in. Here's my little bit. I get my piercing tool. I just belted the lamp again. I'm going to have to move the lamp as well. Oh dear me. Right, with that. Here's our sticky piece of Night of Navy. That there. Then what I'm going to do is just at the ends here, just fold them the other way slightly, just like that, and then put them roughly halfway up and halfway across, like that. Although don't do what I've done. Do it so it's level. Same with this one. Just bend a little bit that way, a little bit that way, and once again put it level like that. Then what you're going to do is fold that over so they meet in the middle like that, and fold over your Night of Navy so it catches them, keeping it level if you can, but not to worry if you can't. Well, yeah, well, do worry actually, because it's nicer level, isn't it? There you go. My fingers are not very dexterous today, so they're like that. Trim off that little bit of excess. There's not a lot. that, and there you have a bow that is full. Easy as that. Okay, have fun making these. Post what you end up with. I've made a bit of a bodge there, you can see, but you know, I did better with the one I've hidden, this one, even though I used two bits of DSP because it was just a prototype. But yeah, anyway, have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and I will see you again soon. Bye now.